unongai kitin kan nangrim gimen achik dol NED Francis Simarang uloang baka seng ka panam jure ka jingle don bor ka jing takti bat ki kambian te ki nong Bangladeshi bawan rong tu bian man thombor ki try muluk ki rirom pat garo ha Meghalaya habagranch kila pathai kubor unongai kitin ga NED uloang baki ni ki nong Bangladeshi bawan rong tu bian tang baki kentur hapo ka kendau ka syam ki jakara bat ki nong kenti jong ki try mulung henry kila persyang man penthot ya ka syong sok syong san da ka bawan ra ya ka jingis ngop her jad ben riu ha ki ni ki sngi bala dam da ka ba ki aiding ya ki nong ya snam u Francis Simarang ula penramru ya ka sorkar bakla kem ya ki nong ya lam sing bahalang bat ya ki riu shimat balui ki bala mi syakmat banyada ya ka riti destur bat jad ben riu garu bat kumju halor ka jingsha penyam jong udil seng marang uba la syapanyam da ka bakeno badai ki nong Bangladeshi ka NED kala bu shpotali jingdawa hakmat ka sorkar baka dai penshim khiya khnang banne ka shongsuk shongsan harilum garu
of the NED representatives strongly condemn the atrocities by illegal Bangladeshis intruders. The Nagaram Government Achitol expresses its strongest condemnation of the ongoing atrocities, intimidation and unlawful activities perpetrated by the illegal Bangladeshis intruders against the indigenous tribal communities of Garo Hills, Meghalaya. It has come to our notice with great concern that these illegal intruders have not only encroached upon the land and resources belonging to the indigenous people, but have also systematically attempted to disturb the peaceful coexistence of the communities by instigating communal tension. Such deliberate acts of provocation, violence and fear-mongering are direct threat to the constitutional safeguards and the traditional rights of the scheduled tribes under the 6th Schedule of the Constitution of India. NAB firmly believes that the recent communal flares-ups are not spontaneous but also result of the calculated attempts by these intruders to destabilize the region and weaken the unity of the indigenous population. The silence and inactions of the concerned authorities in effectively addressing illegal infiltration and its consequences have further emboldened such elements. We are unwarranted arrest and harassment of NGO leaders and innocent individuals who have been at the forefront of the protecting the rights, identity and the land of the indigenous people. These leaders have been unjustly targeted while raising legitimate concerns regarding illegal infiltration and its socio-economic and cultural impacts. In light of the above, Nagaram Government Achitol NED demands: number 1, a thorough and impartial investigation into the activities of the illegal Bangladeshis intruders and their role in inciting communal unrest. Number 2, immediate eviction drive against all illegal settlers occupying tribal lands in Garo Hills, which has gone orders from the GHADC. Number 3, strengthening of border security and strict enforcement of laws to prevent further illegal infiltration. Number 4, protection of the constitutional and customary rights of the indigenous tribal communities under the 6th Schedule. Number 5, for NIA investigation into the murder of late Hussein M. Samad. Number 6, the POCSO cases committed by the illegal Bangladeshis in Chibanang and the gang rape cases in Chibanang area where the girl was raped continuously by 5 illegal Bangladeshis intruders whole night, and later the girl was paraded naked in the Chibanang area in the next morning. Number 7, for NIA investigation in all the mosques of Garo Hills. Number 8, to stop the illegal stone quarry in the north-west Garo Hills and south-west Garo Hills and NGT implementation. Number 9, ex gratia to both wife and the mother of late Dilseng M. Sangma, who died protecting the environment. Number 10, mothers of the late Dilseng M. Sangma must be hanged to death. NED retaliates that the indigenous people of Garo Hills have always upheld peace, harmony and lawful conduct. However, any continued provocation, injustice and suppression of the rightful voices will only deepen unrest and mistrust among the people. We call upon the state government, central government and all responsible authorities to act decisively and uphold justice, ensuring that the rights and the dignity of the indigenous communities are not compromised. NED stands firm in its commitment to safeguard the land, identity and the future of the Aceh people. Till then, we are experienced quite a peaceful environment in our areas, and right now we have not seen any kind of information or the activities that the public or the NGO leaders are being conducting illegal or illegal activities.
So recently, this is the people's protest led to the success. In that, recently, but of course, the government NPP is taking credit for the achievement.
Yeah, actually, credit good for nothing. Actually, what we want. Actually, we as NGO leaders who protested regarding this STA certificate mandatory for the upcoming JCDC election, we don't want to take as credit as it a reward, but we feel that passing this bill is a really successful one.
What about, are you calling everybody there Bangladeshi, or do you have some specific, criteria? How are you distinguishing? Because there are many Muslims who are part of the Garo Hills. You cannot just say they are Bangladeshi.
So actually, in this matter, we are not saying every Muslim who are residing in India, we are not against them.
I'm saying Garo Hills.
Garo Hills.
Yeah.
So we can distinguish them as intruders, illegal infiltration. Because at the early years, we have seen the areas are being empty, vacant and barren. But right now, within the decades and 2 decades time, the area was full of illegal immigrants. These people, we call them the illegal immigrants or Bangladeshi immigrants.
Can you also tell us, on social activist Ghalat Sangma, filed an FIR against another social activist Jenny Sangma, regarding telling that some confidential information was leaked by her. What is the stand of the unit?
Right now, we have inquired to some agencies that whether this FIR has been registered or not, but till then we have not got any registered information of this case. And I don't know, it is a really individual matter, but I think it is a matter of concern about the indigenous peoples, right? As we are fighting against this ST certificate mandatory. During this process, we have gone to the New Delhi at the Jantar Mantar to protest against the ST certificate mandatory and the illegal immigrants. During this process, they have played a very wrong way that someone who is working or fighting against the illegal immigrants in this connection. So it is not good from our own people playing with a person who is playing a vital role in fighting against the illegal immigrants.